Hey everyone, so today I'm building a walnut Butcher Style Countertop. The client wanted a 2 feet by 4 feet long. So at this point what I'm doing is I'm cross cutting all the walnut to rough length. You can see there's some beautiful walnut here, some sapwood in there, some hardwood, which I personally like. Then I moved to the table saw to get about 3 inches in width, and so I ripped every board that I have to about 3 inches, a little over 3 inches on the table saw. Now, one of the things that I learned from this project is that planning is very important. I ended up buying a lot less wood than I needed, and so I had to do another trip to the lumber yard. But then I moved to the joiner to get one straight edge. And then I referenced that edge on a table saw to get 2 parallel sides. Now I did 3 different glue ups to help me with so many boards. One of the things that I love, I bought this roller at my local Woodcraft, and then it's saving me so much time. Another great tool that I would recommend is one of those just simple paint scrapers. I use this to get rid of the glue before jumping into my thicknesser planer. It's a cheap tool, but man, I love that one so much. Now we move to the thicknesser planer to get all the boards, well, get all 3 sections to the same thickness, a little bit under 3 inches now. Then I moved back to the miter saw and got straight edges. Yeah, we got some straight edges. And then I use my Domino XL to reference all 3 chunks, all 3 sections. Since they were all plain to the same thickness, I just used the Domino for alignment. Look at it again, there's the roller. I love that thing, I'm telling you. You need to get one if you don't have one yet. But then I glued all 3 sections together to give me the whole countertop. You can probably see my little carpenter's triangle, I think it's called, well, to keep the boards aligned. It's not the prettiest, but it worked in this case. Then I got my low angle jack plane. Now I don't know about you, I'm still fairly new when it comes to hand tools, but this one has been a beautiful tool. It was easy to set up, easy to sharpen, and easy to use, man. I used it to smooth all the top, and also to make sure that any shifting from the glue up was taken care of with this. Time was running out for me. I needed to finish this project, so I told myself to speed up, and look, it's working. No, but on a serious note, I was running out of time. I needed to finish, and because I was in a hurry, I forgot to record the rest. But basically what happened after that was I sanded everything to 220 grit sandpaper, starting at 80, jumping to 120, and then to 220, which gave me a very smooth finish. As you can probably tell from this part, I created a little skirt, if you will, which is just a border on the bottom, and that would help me just sit it on top of the Allen, and you will see those. You'll see that in the final shots. But then the clients wanted a very easy to apply, very easy to renew finish, and so because it was a butcher block, because they wanted to use it for food, I just used a mineral oil, and I love how it looks. It brings the wood, it kept it super smooth, and yeah, it's easy to keep up to date. So I hope that you guys like this video. Thank you very much for watching it. Like it if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you want more, and share with your friends and family. This was a super fun build. I learned a lot of things, and overall I believe the clients are super happy with it. And so with that said, thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.